Mahavir. The question is, Lord Mahavir was seeing only his own Pudgal, the non-self complex. What was he seeing? Deepak Bhai says, we don't need to go into too many details. He did not have any mistakes of his own left. He would just continue to see what was unfolding through mind, speech and body. And he would have the natural speech of the unattached one, where his words would have absolute resolution, total resolution in the mind of the questioner. Next question. Where is he, Rathod? This is the session, English relay session of September 5, 2010, evening, question and answers. Even if the question is, if he does not want to steal, however stealing happens, then what should we do? Little boy asking. Deepak Bhai says, you have to resolve that you do not want to steal. And so if it happens, despite the resolution, internal resolution, then you have to tell your mom and dad about it and ask for forgiveness and ask for the energies from Dada Bhagwan to not do it again. And then when you are sitting alone, try to figure out what will happen if you get caught. No, yes, the boy says, yes, I will make him understand. However, the people of the world will catch you, beat you up, or punish you by putting in prison. And how would you feel if somebody takes away something that you like? Then how can you take away something that somebody else likes without his approval? The parents will not hurt you. They love your children, so they will not bother you. You have to inform your parents if it happens. Jai Sachidanand. Somebody from Palanpur asking a question. When the pain-bearing karma, the suffering of pain arises, and when he says, oh God, I am suffering, I'm dying, etc. So at that time, when Ashata Vedani, pain suffering arises, what should we do? We should keep the separation, says Deepak Bhai, and say that this is happening to me now. Keep it separate. And this is not, if it is not of this life, then it is of the past life only. And so whatever pleasure has been taken from this body, you will have to repay it in the form of pain. So if you can learn how to keep it separate, you will become free, and the suffering will end. Next one. Arpan Suthar is asking a question. Dadashri says that pratikramans in dream are superior to pratikramans when one is awake. Please explain. The self is the knower of it all. Then who is doing the pratikraman in the dreams? You say that the ego is not present in dream. Deepak Bhai says, with this increasing awakened awareness, inside also everybody is awake. If there is a very strong nischay, determination that I do not want to enter into any faults in the awakened state, in the physically awake state, then even in the this will carry on over into the sleep state. the subtle ego is happening within. The important thing is the awareness on these mistakes rather than trying to figure out who is doing the pratikraman. People have the experience that it is happening in their dream. They have such a strong desire not to be at fault even during the awake, physically awake state, that it carries on into their dream state. So then even in their dream state they are very much aware and awake, and therefore pratikraman is happening at a very subtle level, albeit at the ego level, at the subtle ego level. And then he remembers when he wakes up that, oh yes, it is that very subtle ego which says, oh yes, I did pratikraman in the dream as well. So next question, what does it mean when we say surrender to Dada? What is the meaning of saying surrender to Dada? What is Dada trying to say when you say surrender to Dada, when you have major problems? Will you please tell me the exact pratikraman vidhi? How do I use the name of Chandubai, Man Vachan Kaya, of Misha, Michael? Bhav karma, dravya karma, no karma, charge karma, discharge karma, subtle discharge karma. Oh Dada Bhagwan, the Supreme Self within me, I am surrendering them to you. What should we do about all these files? You have to ask for the energies to remain in the Agna. If you have given your something precious to somebody to say, why don't you take care of this thing, I'll be back after 2 hours, do you doubt about that anymore? You have given over the keys to that person and he will handle it. Deepak Bhai says, if you have the slightest negative feeling towards any human being on this earth, then you need to sit down for an hour at a time and take all of these human beings that you have had negative feelings towards, negativities towards that person, and wash it off. But it does not happen, Deepak Bhai. Then ask for the energies. Oh Dada Bhagwan, grant me the energies to do this. If you cannot sit for an hour, then at least try to sit for 10 minutes. Can you do it for 10 minutes? It will wipe off the negativities for 10 minutes and account with that person. Next question. When I have resolved that I will never do it again. But then if I do the mistake again, then it is called Pratyakyan Avran. It is a veil that one is aware that this is wrong, but in the atmosphere of this satsang, he is deeply and acutely aware that all of these are false. And such Pratyakyan is the inner determination never to repeat the mistake again and repeat the mistake. And as the layers of the ignorance fall away, one is able to rise higher, and so that his affirmations about never to repeat the mistake come to reality, so that they will not happen. And when one does major numbers of pratikramans on such major faults, then it really makes a difference. You need to catch the sticky mistakes and the light mistakes. The very sticky files, the sticky mistakes, the mistakes that are so sticky that no matter how many pratikraman you do, they still seem to be there. And the light mistakes are the ones that wash away with few pratikramans. And why don't you just kind of go on this, the sticky ones and the light ones, and then do the pratikraman? I have another question. Please tell me what do you mean by apramat. Tell me what is apramat. No, we don't. She is bringing joint terminology and asking questions to Deepak by apramat, apratyakhyan, pratyakhyan, etc. Dadashri has clearly defined these in the book of Pratikraman. I mean, either the karma and the cause and the effects of karma create faults that are very sticky, like heavy glue, and then there are some that are that arise and they fall away with the minor amounts of pratikraman, and there are different gradations of these. Just recognize that pratikramans will make you rise into higher spiritual stages. What difference does it make what terminology you use? Bhairavi, next question. Next question from Bhairavi. A lady. He says, how do I know that when I hurt somebody it is totally dead wrong? I mean, I'm lacking the evidences. Deepak Bhai says, read the Vani of Dada, the speech of Dada. The sixth Aptavani is totally filled with all of these errors, and in what different ways you are hurting other human beings around you. If a guru, if a spiritual master is giving hurt to his disciples, he will never get in liberation, and also the disciple will never attain liberation. So hurt is the reason why human beings do not attain liberation. Why? And the entire Aptavani number 6 is involved, by the way, it is available on the web, is involved in understanding the nature of hurt caused to others and to the self. And in other words, this is called kashais. Kashais are that which hurts the self and the self of others. For pride, you need to read Aptavani 9. If you have negativity to anyone, then read Aptavani 9. And then as you read the book, you will know exactly where you need to do the pratikraman. I cannot get it. Then Deepak Bhai says, if you can't get it, then you need to figure out, do you want liberation or do you want to hang around here life after life? I cannot decide anything, Deepak Bhai. Then do Dada, Dada, Dada. That's all you need to do. If you cannot figure out all of this in this live satsang or in these books of the Gnani Purush, then there's nothing left except to say Dada, Dada, Dada and enter into bhakti of Dada, devotion of Dada. But at least you have to accept the words of this great Gnani Purush, Dada Shri. If to hurt anyone to the slightest extent through mind, speech and body is the reason why your liberation is going to be delayed. Yesterday in Samayik, I was able to see the high horse of my own ego and my feelings that I am something and I am something superior. Deepak Bhai says that if you could see it in the Samayik yesterday, then now you have to go further into it and see where all in your daily life were you able to see those events. And then it is not only through the ego that you are hurting, there is so many other ways you are hurting other human beings. Continuing with the satsang. You had said that people get accused. He says anybody who has got an ego will get an accusation. The moment you say I am right, you will be accused. If somebody is sticking to the tail of truth in the relative world, I am honest, I never deviate from honesty, etc., he he is set up for suffering. Somebody will accuse him. It is not the external activity that is causing human being problems. It is the underlying attitude, the ego, the underlying beliefs, complexes, that is causing the problem. But I do believe that I want to do service with quote unquote purity. Purity is not a term that has to be used in the relative. This morning you recognize that you do not even have to do the insistence for the first level. And the moment you have an idea that within you that the other persons are ruining it, you are setting yourself up for accusations and ego traps. So therefore you have to kind of watch out that you do not want to go into any kind of insistence yourself. Next one from Kandivali, Bombay. The satsang is going on in Simandar city in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, India, just 1 hour flight north of Mumbai. Deepak Bhai is reading along. Externally, I am good with other people, but at home, I have internally I have negative thoughts, and I have threatened them that I am going to kill myself, etc. Deepak Bhai says, you have, because you try to threaten others through this kind of manipulativeness, you have to do pratikraman. She says, as I see mistakes, I am able to remain separate from them. Please grant me the energies to do that. Deepak Bhai says, that is fine, you can get those energies. Deepak Bhai says that if you start seeing them, a lot of junk within will start decreasing. Deepak Bhai says, slowly you will get there. He says when you are burning all of this junk within, there will be discomfort, but then later on you will be able to enter into the blissful nature that you are. Next one. You're trying to find the person. There is people are sitting even outside the hall. Yes, you know, opinions are being given by intellect. What should I do about it? Intellect will give opinions because that is what the intellect has learned from association with people. But when you accuse other people, when the intellect accuses other people, that is wrong. To accuse somebody is an assault through the ego. Assault on another person through ego. You know, you are allowed to give opinions, but you should not accuse anybody about it. But it looks like there might be a deep opinion in there. Deepak Bhai says that whenever the ego undergoes any kind of pressure, it does not want to go towards the S-capital self, and therefore it lashes out towards others through the intellect. And so it attacks others. It attacks others subtly as well as openly. That is the nature of this ego. That is the bad nature of this ego. And then because she cannot have her way in the natural way through others, then she makes a firm determination that she will have it her way no matter what, and she enters into manipulativeness and deceit. Who is giving these accusations? It is the real hurling weapon that hurts the other persons. It belongs to the ego. Yes, the supporting evidences are the intellect. Next one. I do not like life at all anymore. I have become very tired working. I lay it all out on people around me. I get upset with them. What should I do? Where are you? Who is? On the one side you say you're saying something contradictory. On the one hand you're saying you do not like life, but when you hurt others through your words, when I start doing pratikraman, should I do pratikraman or read Aptavani? Deepak Bhai says do Aptavani, especially when you heard a correction. You do pratikraman before you read Aptavanis. You see, you don't have to do pratikraman, make her do pratikraman. Do you understand? Yes. This is the tailored answer to her. She says, I can see Dada and Simandar Swami also. That is alright, but do pratikraman, says Deepak Bhai. Ask for the energies from Dada Bhagwan, the Supreme Self within you, and then say, I do not want to hurt anyone through this mind, speech and body, my Lord. Please give me the energies to do these pratikramans and wash it off. And grant me the energies to remain in the 5 agnas. Next one, another lady, Kruti Grangar. Supposing I suspect that somebody has stolen from me, and then it is corroborated by listening to 4 or 5, then the doubt gets affirmed. Then what should I do? Deepak Bhai says, then do pratikraman. If your mind shows you that he is a thief, then you have to show this mind the knowledge of the Vyavasthit and the evidences that are making this happen. On the one hand, it shows me that he is a thief, and the other, but then other people keep on telling me that other people telling me that no, he is a thief, but I do not believe that he is a thief, etc. So I am struggling. Deepak Bhai says, do you believe what Gnani Purush Dadash is telling you, that he is the non-doer, he is flawless, his non-self complex is doing the stealing, he is stealing because of your account, unsettled accounts. Supposing somebody has totally spoiled it and I can see it openly, I know he has messed up the work, and then I have this opinion, is this called an accusation? Deepak Bhai says, yes, this is the father of accusation. It is, the moment you say, even subtly inside, that he is the one who messed it up, the signal will reach him subtly also. This is the nature of the Prakriti. You say, I haven't told you anything, I haven't told you anything. But yet, internally you are bombarding him, saying, you are the one who messed it up, you are the one who screwed it up. Suka said, if the work has got spoiled, who is the one who is suffering? Investigate. If the work got spoiled and you are suffering, then it is your mistake. That is what the Gnani Purush says. I said, then do I have to do the pratikraman about the one with whom I had the bad thoughts? Yes. Yes, Deepak Bhai says, wash it off, wash off the stain as soon as you can. Come into the exactness of the various aspects of the science of Akram Vignan through this Gnan. Because you do not have the courage to tell him openly that he messed it up, you are doing it through via sources. You are telling somebody, you are telling somebody else, you are also telling. You are constantly bickering within yourself, even though you do not say it openly. And therefore, all of this requires significant amounts of pratikraman, because this is a major accusation. And then when you later on when you have the courage, you can even approach the gentleman or the person and say, listen, I accused you the other day, but you know, it is when I investigated it, I found out that it is my fault too in this. And next one. You know, I have hurt human beings, whoever I have come across in my life. How many? I have constantly hurt other human beings in my life. What should I do? And how should I do the pratikraman? Deepak Bhai says, now you have to start with the book of the flawless vision and the fault is of the sufferer and read it in detail and understand it in exactness. Yes, through the grace of Dada Shri, the major veil has been removed, so you have become the pure soul. However, you can... But as you keep on listening this satsangs, you will find that the residual difficulties are because of the lack, because of this that has not been washed off. And then he says the intellect and the ego have become so solidified within that they do not even let you enjoy the blissful nature of your own self. Deepak Bhai, I am talking about before Gnan. Are you doing pratikraman now? Are you doing pratikraman? Yes, I do a lot of pratikraman. Then you should not be asking, because if... But she still goes into the past about the 20 years of difficulties with someone. So for 20 years I touch his feet. He says, you know, it is not going to work if you keep on touching his feet. You will have to do the internal pratikraman. You see, can you do one day without vibrations? That is what counts. Are you doing pratikraman to improve the other person, the file, or are you doing it to improve yourself? The entire essence of pratikraman is to improve yourself, not to improve the other person. Deep down inside, if you investigate, you will find that there is a deep-seated desire to improve the other person. Most likely, usually a husband or a file too. And so deep down inside, you've got huge textbooks full of complaints against him, and then now you're trying to say that I'm trying to improve. Because if you're free from them, then you should not have any load on, sense of load, and then you know, and then you can go into the science of the samayik of the separation that is given in the Charan Vidhi. Oh dear Lord, you're separate and this person is separate. I have so much junk within me, dear Deepak Bhai. You just need to go into Deepak Bhai giving a tailored response to her, that go into Vidhi, Vanchan, Pratikraman, Samayik. Vidhi is the Vidhi, the Charan Vidhi. Vanchan is the reading of Gnani Purush Dada Shri. Pratikramans, obviously this what is going on now, and then Samayik is to be the self, B capital, S capital, and to see the SELF, the small self. Next one. When yesterday you said that when the negative thoughts come, then you have to say that my signature is not on these negative thoughts. You should, now you are separated, so you have to tell the ego of Asha or that I'm not with you on this one. I am not, my signature is not there. So your separation is effective then. This is a relative real Vijnana. That is why you say that because how can we make a signature was the question if we are purely separate from the ego. But it is, it is from the relative real, because, you try to be the knower and the seer, but then when it happens, you see, it is something that helps you maintain the awakened awareness, and it is an inner conversation mode that you are saying, listen, I am not with you on this one. And so it is the light that you have to use to clean off the debris and the dirt of hurt. So you should not be using your intellect trying to find out in the details of about who, if because she went into very deep details about, well, if the ego, how can the ego make signature when we no longer are the ego? Recognize that it is the Bao, the middleman, the ego intellect complex, who is moving away from the ego intellect complex and moving into the realm of the pure soul. Now she is moved into Marathi Su. And now Deepak Bhai answering in Marathi, and Shuddha is not very good in Marathi here. And Deepak Bhai was raised in Bombay, so he knows Marathi, which is the dominant language of Maharashtra, the Mumbai state, in Mumbai area. And so now he is just explaining that you have to explain to the non-self complex that I'm not going to sign with you on this one, even though you are going off the deep end, or even if you're going on the wrong angle and the wrong path, I am not with you on this thing. I have told you so many ways that I am not going to go with you, and therefore that is. He says, so whatever, in other words, whatever Asha is doing, you are, the wizened intellect within is saying, I'm not going to sign off on this, whatever you're doing. He says, well, will not the mind become a little bit depressed? No. You see, so when you enter into depression or elevation states of the mind, you are in the wrong place, are you not? That is with the mind. It's got nothing to do with you, the Y capital one. You see, I mean, in the unfolding state of this non-self complex, at one time there is pleasure, and then at another time there is pain.
कोणासाठी नाहीये हे अपवाद शब्द समजून घ्यायचा तुमचं तर काहीच असं अपवाद नाहीये तुम्ही सगळे सत्संगमध्ये येतात तुम्हाला काही तकलीफ येणार नाही आणि माझ्या आता पूर्ण सही की मला दादामध्येच राहायचंय कायमस्वरूपी हे बरोबर आहे रोज शक्ती मागा
she says grant me the energy to remain in the self. He says that's good.
जास्त जरूर नाहीये सगळं आलं याच्यामध्ये मारा मनमा निगेटिव्ह आवे कशाय થાય બોલતા અંદર વિચાર આવે દાદા ભગવાન
Whenever I have got negative thoughts, I say that Dada Bhagwan, whatever thoughts that are coming, Asha is not in it. And I am doing Alochna Pratikraman Pratyakhyan. Is that correct? My question is, but my real problem is that I do not see the differentiation between Shuddhatma and Asha. Because she is sitting, her question is, just this is all part of file 1. It is not got nothing to do with the S capital self, says Deepak Bhai. You had said that. When it is a very very major fault, then Deepak Bhai says you have to do not a long pratikraman but an exact pratikraman. And yesterday we talked about then you have to say it in detail, the exact vidhi. When there is a very sticky mistake, when there is a major spiritual blockade kind of mistake, then you have to do it a very specific pratikraman. When for light mistakes, you just kind of do light pratikraman. You can just say, dear Lord, please forgive me. Then you have to say, Pratyaksh Dada Bhagwani Sakshiye, with the live presence of Dada Bhagwan. You have to, then it becomes non-stop. Some people are doing non-stop pratikraman. Yes, try doing it first and then we will talk about it, says Deepak Bhai. Next one.
Comparison.
When I do comparison, will it cause negativities, abhorrence and scorn for the other person? Deepak Bhai says, yes, this is exactly the reason why you have scornful attitudes and negativities towards the other person, because the comparison is being done by the intellect only. Intellect is the reason why it is happening. Yes, ego is the root cause of pain, but intellect is the one that is promoting it. You see?
એ દુઃખ શરૂ થાય.
You see?
પછી કલાક પછી કે ભાઈ તારું નતું બીજાનું કહ્યું.
You see, when you are supposed to guard something, when your wife comes and says, "Hey, what happened? Why did you not watch out for it?" And then when you later on you find out that it is not yours that went, then you are not upset by it. You see, when you say it is mine, then it is very difficult to let go. But when you find out really that it wasn't yours in the first place, then there is no underlying pain when it leaves.
પછી પાછો છેલ્લે કે ભાઈ જરા કંઈક જોર લગાડો, પછી સારા માણસો બધાના ઓળખાણ પારખાણને દબાણ કરીને છેવટે લઈ આવ્યા. છેવટે 3 મહિનાની કન્ફર્મ થાય ને એટલે એવો ખુશ થાય કે આપણે 3 મહિના પર લઈ આવ્યા કે છે. 5 વર્ષની હતી એમાં 3 મહિના, પહેલાથી 3 જ મહિના હતી ભાઈ. પણ કમ્પેરિઝનનું દુઃખ બહુ ભારે.
You see, there is the pain of comparison is very, very problematic, and it is due to the intellect. Deepak bhai, do I have to do pratikraman for it? When you hurt others, do you hurt others? Do you see mistakes of others? Then you have to do pratikraman, and then later on go deeper into it and find out why it happens. Initially you have to do pratikraman, and then later on you have to go into the details of as to why it is happening. You see, you have to have the right vision, otherwise the intellect will grab you and trap you in the wrong vision. Next one. If somebody, when a mistake happens, then for a long time I keep on getting the same thoughts over and over again. This is when you do not know that the mistakes are happening, then you have to scold Jeff Nadapriya. When you find out that the mistakes are happening, then you have to do pratikraman. So if you cannot see that the mistakes are happening, then you have to ask her to ask for the energies, and once you start seeing the mistakes, then you ask her to do pratikraman. Having read your books, Dadashri, having read the books of Dadashri, I've come to the conclusion that he is not very clear in what he has written, and for the my question is my understanding correct? You don't need to control the curiosity of the mind. That's the question. Curiosity of the mind on the path of liberation. Whatever the mind shows, it is coming only to discharge only. You need to have the awakened awareness over the mind, and if it continues to show recurrently something, then you can tell the mind, come on, show me something else, come on, show me something else. He might read a newspaper, a magazine, etc. This is, that the nature of the mind is to take different kinds of food. But I'm not worried about newspaper stuff. I am more interested in the science of life. But right, you can keep it pending. Right now we are talking about pratikraman. You see, the real purusharth, the independent energy of the S capital self, is to find out where is it that you are being impeded in the application and the state of the 5 agnas. You see, right now keep it pending, because right now we are in a different topic of pratikraman. Yes. Yes, when we have free time, we will certainly answer the questions about the science of life, etc. But right now we are in a different topic. But it is not good to control the curiosity of the mind. Or yes, there is a lot in Jain scriptures about controlling the mind, etc. But we are not here talking about the relative religions which teach you about controlling the mind. It used to happen previously, Deepak Bhai, but now having attained this Gnan, and through Pratikraman and reading the Dadashri, it is.
दादाजी का विज्ञान समझने
Deepak Bhai says the key thing is to understand the Vignan, the science of Dadashri,
ज्ञान की बात ऐसी समझ लेंगे ताकि हमें
and to understand it with such exactness that the resolutions will arise from within,
ये रखो किसी को दोषित न
and therefore there will be no flawless, there will be no flawed vision. The vision will be flawless, and therefore there will be no flaws seen of anyone else. Next one. Next question.
बड़देव भाई
Bardev Bhai, a senior Mahatma in Simandar city. So Deepak Bhai is picking it up again.
ध्यान લીધા પછી ચાર્જ થતું નથી પણ પેન્ડિંગ રહે છે એ તો વાત થઈ ગઈ ને
Now it doesn't charge after Gnan. The question of charging karma after Gnan. Deepak Bhai says that has already been answered, right? So do you want to revamp it? Do you want to go there again? In the last session, this was.
ચાર્જ થતું નથી
You know, it all remains pending. No karma gets charged after self-realization in Akram Vignan.
પેન્ડિંગ ક્યાં સુધી રહે આપણે
How long will it remain pending? It will remain pending until you settle it with equanimity.
કોઈ દોષી દેખાતો હોય
If you can see somebody at fault,
જવા દો સભા નિકાલ કરો માથાકૂટ
then and if you just kind of walk away from it, let it go.
પ્રતિકોણ કરીને ચોખ્ખું કરો નહીં તો પાછું પેલું યાદ
This is
જો માનતો
no, this is a newer gentleman, not a senior one.
કેમ યાદ આવ્યું તો પેલું નિકાલ નથી કર્યો
Yes, yes.
દોષી જોઈએ
Then when it happens again, when it comes back to your memory, again you see him at fault. That means you have not settled the file with equanimity, have you?
પ્રતિકોણ કરાયા
And therefore, when you make Bardev by do Pratikraman, then it will wash away slowly, gradually, depending upon the intensity of the stickiness of that karma.
રહેશે પડી રહેશે માલ
If you don't,
નિકાલ કરવો પડશે
then you will have to deal with it.
કે અમારે પેન્ડિંગ રાખવું નથી ને
એવું
સત્ય
કહેવા
આપો.
નહીં
But I don't want to keep it pending. Deepak Bhai says, no, you can't say you don't want to keep it pending.
કોઈ ખોટો છે મને ખબર જ છે પણ પ્રતિકોણ નથી કરતા
Yes, yes, you see, you say that it is wrong to become angry, but if you do not do Pratikraman, then the statement it is wrong to become angry will remain as it is. It's not going to help you with your anger. Pratikraman is the way in which you move away from anger.
બાળ વિજ્ઞાન વિશે ટૂંકમાં કહેશો
Will you please tell us about Bal Vignan?
ચાર્જ થતું નથી ને પાછું આ ભાવ
No, Bhav Vignan, not Bal Vignan, the science of intent. You just talked about it's not charging, and yet again you're talking about charging.
હોય છે ખરું એવું?
Is that
ખરું એટલે શું છે કે આપણું આ અક્રમ છે ને
Deepak Bhai says in Akram?
એ હજી ઊંચું લાવવાનું છે રિયલ થી તમે સ્વભાવમાં આવી ગયા
In the real, in Akram Vignan, the real you have already attained the S capital self. However, the relative needs to be lifted up,
મારે સત્સંગમાં નિરંતર રહેવું
and therefore you have to bring up the quality of the level of the relative, which is still walking in mud in the relative life
અને જરાક ધ્યેય પ્રમાણે
and suffering with kashais and causing suffering to others.
દીપકભાઈ આશીર્વાદ આપો.
Deepak Bhai, bless me. Yes. Deepak Bhai says everybody is getting blessings.
દેવભાઈ
Next one.
સમંદર સિટી
Sudhir Bhai, Simandar city.
વ્યક્તિ માટે ખરાબ વિચારો આવે
When I have bad thoughts about somebody,
કસાયો થાય તો પ્રતિક્રમણ કેવી રીતે
when bad thoughts arise and pratikraman and then kashais arise, then how do I do pratikraman?
છે ને? જે ભૂલ થઈ
Deepak Bhai says whatever mistake happened, whatever thoughts arise, then you have to say, dear Dada Bhagwan,
ખોટા સ્પંદનો જાગ્યા
these wrong thoughts have arisen, wrong vibrations have happened. Please grant me the energy not to do it.
સમજાય ને
And do you understand?
કે દ્વેષ થયો અભાવ થયો
If it is dvesh, which is abhorrence, abhav, scorn,
મનમાં એની માટે કઈ અભિપ્રાય આપ્યો
if you negative opinions about that, opinions for that person.
પણ જે બોલાયું ન હોય
But what about
થતું હોય
the words that this is the senior gentleman? What about
તે અલગ કરવું અને એનું પ્રતિક્રમણ
the words that have not been spoken?
બળદેવભાઈ પાસે કરાવવું.
એટલે બોલાયું
Do
ના
I-
હોય તેનું.
What?
એ તો મનમાં થયું તો
Yes, if it has happened in the mind, make Baldev by do pratikraman.
મનથી એની માટે ભાવ બગડ્યા
If your mind has gotten spoiled through the mind about him, then do the so the aggression happens through mind, it aggression happens through speech, and it happens through actions.
અંદરનું તો પહોંચે જ નથી.
ને તોય પૂછો ને એટલે પાછું
And so but will it reach the other person? If you wipe it off, it will reach certainly.
કે ભાઈ આ લેટર મેં મોકલ્યો છે ફાડી નાખજો એ સ્વીકારશો નહીં માફ કરી દેજો તો
And so supposing you have written a letter which is in anger, but if you call up the person and say, listen, the letter is coming, I was a little stern in that letter, please forgive me, so will he not forgive you when he's reading the letter?
ત્યાં જુદું પાડો કે હે શુદ્ધાત્મગણ તમે જુદા
and also separate the person with whom you are doing the pratikraman. Oh dear Lord, within that person, thou art separate, you are separate.
હે શુદ્ધાત્મગણ
Oh pure soul, dear Lord, within that person, you are separate. I am with your presence, with you as the witness. I am asking for forgiveness for this error that caused hurt to that person,
દુઃખ થાય તો પ્રતિક્રમણ કરવું એ જરૂરી છે.
and grant me the energies never to do it again.
તો કેવી રીતે જાગૃતિ રાખવી? ક્યાં છે એ વાત પતી ગઈ.
This is
દાદાનો સ્થૂળ દેહ છૂટ્યો તે પહેલા
before Dada left his body.
ત્યાં ઘરે ઘરે વ્યવહારો માટે જઈને માફી માગી હતી.
He entered every home in his village.
સહજ પ્રતિક્રમણ કેવું હતું?
In,
એટલે આ તો શું છે કે છેલ્લા 5 દિવસની વાત છે.
in this last 5 days,
તારીખે દેહ વિલય થયો તેના
before the 5 days before Dada left his body,
26મી ડિસેમ્બર હશે.
it must be 26 December 1981.
21મી નવી આવી હતી. 21મી ડિસેમ્બર પછી 5 દિવસમાં પછી એક વખત નીકળ્યા હતા. એ મામાની પોળમાં
In Mamanipur,
ઘેર ગાડી ઊભી રાખી બહાર છે કે કમળાબા
Dada Shri would stop the car in every place in Mamanipur and say, will call, is Kamdaba here, is this lady here?
વ્યવહારથી કોઈ દુઃખ થયું
And then he says, if Dada Shri himself said, if I have hurt you in any way,
ગાડી પેલા બાજુવાળા ચીડ્યા કરે તમારી ગાડી હટાવો બસ બધી સત્સંગવાળા આવીને ગાડીઓ પાર્ક કર્યા કરો છો ને
you see, and then the other people will say, you are parking this place here, and will get upset with Dada.
તો દાદાએ વ્યવહાર કર્યા બધાની પાસે માફી
Dada Shri did, because in previously whenever because a lot of people would park their cars in that small street in Mamanipur, and a lot of people were upset with Dada because the streets were crowded because of it. And so Deepak Bhai, Dada cleared off all these errors with these people who used to live in his neighborhood in Mamanipur.
જાય એની માટેના
In the 5 days preceding his departure from this world.
કરવી આપણે ભાઈ ભૂલચૂક મારીએ થાય.
When you're talking with somebody, some of your friends, you should immediately own up openly, saying that, my dear friend, even I sometimes make mistakes. You're not, please forgive me.
વિજ્ઞાનમાં સામાન્ય મનનું સમાધાન એ વધારે
In the karmic path, the resolution in the mind of the other person is very critical.
નીકળી ગઈ આપણે મુક્ત થઈ ગયા.
And when the other person forgives you openly, then you are free.
એક્ઝામ્પલ આપો.
Will you please,
પ્રતિક્રમણ
will give me the example of a Sahaj Pratikraman, a natural Pratikraman?
આમ મોક્ષ માર્ગ આવો હોય ને આવી રીતે બધા ઉપદેશમાં કહો છો
You see,
એટલે એ બોલાય એટલી બાજુ અંદર
if somebody will say, if somebody will tell Dada openly, challenge, you are talking so negatively about this path, and then the other Shri will have internal, even as he is saying it, there is internal Pratikraman going on.
આમ ને ભાભી આમ ને મધર આમ ને ફાધર આમ ને પછી કે તમને 2 કલાક મજા આવી ને સાંભળવાની.
And Deepak Bhai, the other Shri says that, we talked about my sister-in-law, father, brother, etc., and you enjoyed it, but at that time, even as I was talking about my personal life to you, I was doing internal Pratikraman naturally.
કહેવાય કે પીગડા ઉપર આટલો બધો દ્વેષ કર્યો મેં અને ખરેખર મને દ્વેષ થઈ ગયો હતો. ભાઈ આ તો નાટક હતું છતાં મારે બોલવું
So this is all,
કરેલું એટલે મારે નાટક કરવું પડે છે.
you said,
નાટકમાં બોલવું પડે છે એટલે હવે હું ભરતુહરીમાંથી નીકળી લક્ષ્મીચંદ થઈને હવે માફી માંગી લઉં છું.
you see, I'm moving away from this person who is playing this role on the stage,
વખત રોલ ભજવો
and then, because for that, because of whatever happened
નથી કહેતા 25 લાખ માણસો
due to the role
તમારો અંદરનો ભાવ મોક્ષનો જ હોય.
doing the stage role of Dada Shri, I have to do Pratikraman. He says, I might be in front of 25 lakhs people, but internally my bhav is only for moksha only, for liberation only. I might be talking here in satsang, but my internal intent is moksha only, he says.
કિન્નર
Dada Kinnar. Next question from Kinnar. Simandar City, young man.
કિન્નર છે કે
Is he here?
હા હા કે છે પ્રતિક્રમણ બુકના વાંચન વખતે એવું લાગે છે કે જો દાદાની વાણીમાં બીજા ધર્મોને માટે મોક્ષ માર્ગે વાળવા માટેની કડક વાણી નીકળે અને દાદાએ એમનું પ્રતિક્રમણ કરવું પડતું પરંતુ એ બાબત
Dada used to do pratikraman for strong language used towards other paths of religion.
સ્યાદવાદ નીકળે છે તો તે કર્મફળ ગણવું કે કર્મફળ પરિણામ? કૃપા ગણવી, કૃપા.
And now, just purely beautiful, very graceful,
અને આમાં કેવું છે કે
universally accepted speech is unfolding. So is that an effect or is an effect of effect? Deepak Bhai says, call it grace.
હા એ ઉભો રહે ને કે
Why don't you stand up so I can see you?
આવે છે રખડ કરવાવાળાને. મને દેખાતા નથી, બધા કાં હરખે હરખું દેખાય.
Because I cannot see you because there are so many people here.
કરતા હોય એટલે આપણે લાગે કોણ કરશે?
Because you have to raise your hand.
શું છે કે એ દાદાની પાસે અમને મળ્યું નિરૂમાને કે
Yes, Dada and Niruma, when we were with Dada, Niruma and I, Dada's language was very strong.
કે આ વઢ્યા પછી કે
Speech was very strong.
એ કરતા આવે જેને એનું 100 માંથી એકાદ સારું હોય એ સ્ટેપ પર એને ચડાવો, કરતા કરતા આગળ જશે. સમજાય ને? એટલે આ એક વ્યવહારિક વાત કરું છું કે મારે એમ થાય કે વડવાનો શું અર્થ છે?
And for me, I figure, what is the point in having strong language?
હાઈપર ના હોય કે બધી રીતે એવું વળી શકું.
And I don't have such revolutions like Dada Shri that I can really scold somebody heavily.
પછી વડવાનું ફાવે જ નહીં.
And it is not in my nature to use strong language, says Deepak Bhai.
સમજાય કરતા 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 એ રિપેર કરતો કરતો ઊંચો લાયેલો. એટલે આ બીજાને
Dada repaired me by really using strong language with me.
ઝઘડો તો ના થાય.
But
એટલે કાં તો વણિક બુદ્ધિ હશે, કાં તો બુદ્ધિ
But it could be the intellect of a Vanik, because Deepak Bhai is a Vanik. He is from Baniya caste,
સમજાય છે કે એટલે મારી
not from a Kshatriya caste like Dada Shri Patel.
એ વડીને કહેવાથી કે ને એનો અહંકાર એટલું બધું રક્ષણ કરતો હોય છે.
And Deepak Bhai finds that if I am stern and scolding, he goes into a scolding. He goes into a protective mode,
ટાળી શકાય નહીં એને. એટલે આપણે
and therefore then I have to go easy, because otherwise he will have a protective barrier of his ego around whatever I have to say.
અત્યારે તો અમને લોકોને એવું જોવા મળ્યું ને કે
Right now we are seeing, Deepak Bhai, that you have such Syadvad Vani, it doesn't seem to hurt anyone.
દાદા વખતે એવું કહેતા કે ઘણી વખત એવું વાણીમાં બી જોવા મળતું કે એમની વાણી નીકળતી જ એવી. જ્યારે અત્યારના કેસમાં જોવા જાય તો એવી વાણી જવલ્લે જ જોવા મળે.
And now we can hardly see the kind of speech that Dada used to say.
નો પૂર્વકર્મ
Dada Shri,
ફળ અને આ કર્મફળ પરિણામ હોવું જ જોઈએ.
and the Deepak Bhai says that that was an effect of karma from a previous life, and it was also an effect in this life.
જોયું હોય પછી એમાંથી કંઈ પોઝિટિવ શોધી કાઢ્યું
He must have found out something very positive in
આવશે એવું કંઈક નક્કી થઈ ચૂક્યું હોય.
it.
એટલે મને કોઈ પણ આવો આવે ધર્મવાળો તો મને એના 5-10 પોઝિટિવ દેખાય.
And Deepak Bhai says, whenever somebody else of another religion comes here, I can immediately see something positive in that in what he is saying,
વાળો આગળ વધે છે.
and therefore I encourage it.
એમાં આવતા પહેલા હોય એ
And even before and by the time he interacts with me, there is,
હોવું જોઈએ.
and
અને એમાં પણ મને સમજાય છે
he says, I understand that this is also an effect of effect. Everything that is being spoken in this life is an effect of causes laid in last life, says Deepak
એવું
Bhai.
હશે એવું લાગે.
It must, yes, I feel it that way. But
આ કંઈ એટલે આ કંઈ ને કે એવી કંઈ આમ આ વાણી નીકળવી ને એમાં તો દાદાએ એવું કહેલું
Dada has said,
અને આ વાણી શું બોલાયા કરે છે
whatever speech is being said,
દાદા જ બોલશે.
he says,
વિજ્ઞાન તારું એનાથી
your
પૂરું
he says your Vignan will end. Dada will speak from you, says Dada.
કે કંઈક પૂર્વનું અનુસંધાન હોવું જ જોઈએ.
Therefore, then I understand that must be a link from past life.
હું ગયા ભાવે તમારામાં આવેલો હોઈશ અને આજે જે તમે બધા સાંભળી રહ્યા
And
છો એ મેં ગયા ભાવમાં સાંભળ્યું હોવું
he
જોઈએ.
says,
એ મારું
yeah,
આજે
what you're listening today, I must have listened in the last life, and that is why this speech
બેસે છે.
is
બીજી બાજુ
is so accepted by all.
કે આવું અને એક બીજો અનુભવ મારો
Let me tell you another experience of mine.
માં જે વાતો નીકળી છે
Whatever speech has come out,
સમજણમાં નહોતી આવી.
before I did not even have the understanding of it.
કે આવું જ્ઞાન
But the speech that has arisen in this satsang with you all, I did not even have the understanding of it before.
હતા. ઘરે મેં વાંચ્યા છે ખરા. તો હવે આમાં કંઈ જવાબ અમુક તો મને સમજાતો જ નથી.
Some of the questions I carried with me home,
આ સીટ પર આવી
but the moment I sit on this seat, You see, the words and the answers are flowing spontaneously. I am not the doer of this. So this is grace is happening. This is the grace of Dada Bhagwan and Gnani Purush Dada Shri.
આ કૃપાનું માધ્યમ બનાવવાનું કારણ પણ બન્યું હોય પૂર્વભવની લિંક હોવી જોઈએ.
There must be a link from past life because this body has become the vehicle of grace.
આજે પણ કૃપા મળી હોવી
And also I received grace in the last life, and also I have received the grace in this life.
પૂર્વેનો ભાવ ને અત્યારનું
The last life, the intent in last life and the effect in this life,
આખું વિશેષ પરિણામ ઊભું થયું.
and now there is a new
લાગે છે કારણ
new extra result of magnificence that has arisen. Deepak Bhai says that
લિંક હોવી જ જોઈએ.
there must be a link from past life, says,
એટલે
of a great link of past life that is now unfolding, says Deepak Bhai.
કલ્યાણની ભાવના ઉભરાતી એવું નહીં, આ બની રહ્યું છે.
He says, in fact, salvation of the world is happening. It is not that I have to kind of go for the intent of salvation. It is all happening in front of me.
કંઈક પૂર્વનું સ્પષ્ટ
Therefore, it is the effect of past life.
સ્પષ્ટ જ લાગે છે કે મારી આજની એવી કોઈ એબિલિટી નથી
Because I do not have any ability in this life that will support it. It is obviously something that is coming from past life.
હોવી જોઈએ. આજે પણ જ્ઞાની
It is the merit karma unfolding, and also the Gnani's grace is unfolding.
પેલા સત્સંગ થયેલા ને ત્યારે તમે કીધું એવું કે આપણે તો બહુ મોટું મોટું પડવું નહીં, ગુપ્ત વેસે નીકળી જવાનું.
Deepak Bhai, previously you have said that just we don't have to go too much into details, just kind of go away quietly and just kind of enter your liberation without much ado.
અને એરપોર્ટ પર ને ગમે અરે બા
However,
તમે દીપકભાઈ અરે હા ભાઈ
but now
now ગુપ્તા લેવા ગયા તો ગુપ્તા નહીં
the more I tried to hide, the more I have come out in the front, says Deepak Bhai.
ચૂપચાપ આપણે કામ કાઢી
My nature was such that I wanted to just get my liberation done through
પૂરું કરવું પડશે.
and the Dada has said, however, that whatever unfolds in your karma, you have to finish it. There is no go, there is no other way out of it.
ભાવ આ તરફનો છે, ઉદય
Yes,
તરફનો છે.
yes, I know my intent is for liberation. However, the unfolding karma is of another kind, says Deepak Bhai.
સમજમાં આવવું
To have such vignan and to have it in such understanding,
10,000-25,000 ભેગા થાય.
and and also to
દાદાએ કહેલું કે તમને દાદા પછી દૂરબીનથી જોવા પડશે. ક્યાં
and even Dada has said that Dada, people will have to look at you through microscopes, through telescopes, because so many people will be in front of you.
માળખું પરિવર્તન આખું કઈને બદલવાનું,
You see,
માળખું બદલવાનું, આખી દુનિયાને અપસેટને માંથી
the entire world is upset and it has to be set up again, and this is Gnani Purush doing his work through this medium.
આટલું બધું જેમ નાના માણસે આમ એક સ્વિચ દબાવી અને આખો બ્રિજ ઉચકીને પેલી બાજુ જતો રહે, આવું તો બનતું હશે.
In other words, he just turned on the switch, and all of a sudden you're crossing
નાના બાબાને
you're crossing the other side just like that.
મોટું કામ
And all what we got taught is just how to turn on the switch of Gnan. That's all.
બેન મોરબી.
Next question.
બીજાને દુઃખ થાય એ ભાગનું જ પ્રતિક્રમણ કરવાનું છે. તો મનમાં નેગેટિવ વિચારો આવે
We have to do the pratikraman for hurt. Then what about the negative thoughts?
આપણી વાત તેને ગમે તે દુઃખ થાય
If
માટે પ્રતિક્રમણ કરવાનું.
if some if
સમજાય ને એટલે આ દુઃખ જ આપણે બરાબર છે.
if what is happening inside, if somebody hears that, will it not hurt the other person? Then yes. Therefore, even if it is not expressed, it will hurt. Yes, but it has not been spoken, as she says. No. Even then you have to do pratikraman. Because if it comes out, will it not hurt the other person?
ઉચીને ટેબલ પર મૂક્યો ને
And therefore you have to do the pratikraman for it.
સપના પેલા સાફ તો કરવું પડે ને. આમ તો ફેરો કરતા હોય છે. તો અહીંયા કરો ને, વાંધો શું છે?
Do it. What's the problem? It's so easy to do.
પ્રયત્ન કરવો પડે.
But I have to make the effort to do the pratikraman, she says.
એ કેવી રીતે?
માગવું એ લાચારી નહીં.
When you are asking for something, when you're begging for something, is that not helplessness?
કામ છે. બરફ કહેતો હોય, મને કંઈક ઠંડક કરો, હું તો ત્રાસી ગયો ગરમીથી. આપણે લાગે શું બોલ કરે છે? શરમ નથી આવતી, આવું બોલો છો? તો એવું આપણે અનંત સુખનું ધામ આત્મા
You are the ocean of bliss and you have become a beggar. Why do you become a beggar?
શંકા ઉભા
The bliss is within. Let it flow to this non-self complex, this body complex that the world identifies as Jeff, Misha, Nada, Priya,
કંઈ પણ સુખ માટે માગવું
Uwe.
કે પ્રયત્ન કરવો એ જ દુઃખનું કારણ છે.
You know, to beg for any kind of
સ્વભાવમાં છે, પોતાના સ્વરૂપમાં છે.
pleasure
અનંત સુખ
is
ક્યારે આવે એ
is
જાગૃતિ
real weakness, is it not?
બહારનું લેવાનું બંધ થાય પછી
You know, you have to stop asking for pleasure from this non-self complex or the body complex. Then the bliss will prevail within.
પેલા મોહ ખલાસ થાય પછી આત્મસુખ પ્રગટે.
You know, there will be an initial phase of penance when the illusory attachment to this worldly pleasures will move away, and then the bliss will prevail within.
પ્રગટ થાય છે. એ સુખ માટે પ્રયત્ન નતો કરવો.
We are not asking for pleasures.
પુરુષાર્થ.
You see,
પુરુષાર્થને પ્રયત્નમાં ફેર
what is the difference between Purusharth and effort?
અને પુરુષાર્થમાં
Purusharth
જાગૃતિ કરવી પડે.
is through awareness, awakened awareness.
પ્રયત્નમાં
And
તકલીફ
effort
લેવી
means
પડે.
you have to do it through mind, speech and body.
નાખવાની, ઉકાળવાનું, મસાલા પાછું
You know, you have to, if to make a cup of tea, you require so many evidences. For effort, for physical effort, you have to have so many other evidences. You need sugar, tea, coffee, etc. to make a cup of tea or coffee.
બે જુદા છે.
Whereas for Purusharth, the awakened awareness of the self, none of these external evidences are necessary.
આપણે મોક્ષે જવા માટે પુરુષાર્થ કરીએ છીએ.
And you are doing the Purusharth to attain final liberation.
આપણે આધીન છે.
And so therefore you are kind of investigating within as to where you are being blocked.
ના પડે. અને પ્રયત્નમાં કાળ, ચિત્ર, સંજોગ
And in prayatna or effort, you require space, time, physical matter, motion, inertia, etc.
જેટલી ઇન્ટેન્સિટી થયો હોય તેટલી ઇન્ટેન્સિટી દોષના પ્રતિકોણ કેમ થતા નથી?
Why, you know, why am I not able to do the pratikraman with the same intensity with which the hurt was caused?
એવું ગમે છે કે ના એમાં
And
શું
Deepak
કરવું?
Bhai says,
કરવું જ
this is because
અને એ ચીકણા દોષો છે, આવરણ વધારે હોય.
because of heavy veils.
ઇન્ટેન્સિટી થાય પણ કરો.
You see, so
જેમ જેમ ફળ ઓછું થશે,
and as you start doing the pratikramans, the layers will fall off, and then
ફેર પડે ખરો?
you will be able to see it with more clarity.
ધ્યાન જ ના પડે. અને અહીં તો કહેશે પછી જોઈ લઈશું.
But otherwise you say, oh, I'll see it later, I'll take care of it later, you see.
આંખમાં રૂંવાટી જેટલું ગયું હોય ને વાળ, તોય આમ બેચેની
You know, in the eye, even if one eyelash falls off into the eye, you will not like it, would you? That is the kind of awareness that you should have.
મન થાય.
એ બધા છે લબાડો અંદર બુદ્ધિ.
Deepak Bhai says there is the intellect and all kinds of
આપણે છૂટવા
labardos, all the people which are there within the non-self complex, which will drag you into kusang or into away from the satsang of the company of the self.
હેલ્પ કરે ને, વાળ વાળ કરવું, તમે આવું કરો, હા, આ શું
What about will the inner conversation help? Yes, of course it will help you.
જાગૃતિ આવે કે ના, આ તો
It will keep you in the awakened awareness,
કરતા ધીમે ધીમે આગળ વધારશે.
and this way you will move higher. Next one,
વાણી, વર્તન અને વિચાર મનોહર થવા જોઈએ.
the mind, speech and body should be such that they win over the minds of others.
આ છે જ.
Is it
વાતો
necessary?
છે તમારા?
Is it necessary? Yes, obviously it is necessary.
આપણે ભાવ કરવાના છે.
You are just doing it.
આપણે લક્ષમાં આવવું જોઈએ.
You should have it within your intention.
મનોહર નથી.
You should have the awareness that your speech is such that it hurts others. Your mind is such that it is still not manohar. It does not tend to win over the minds of others.
તમારું જુદું હશે, પછી આવશે રૂપક.
You see,
જૂનું પૂરું થયા પછી.
you know,
એવું બુદ્ધિ એવું બતાવે કે આ તો પ્રકૃતિને ચેન્જ કરવાની વાત થઈ.
but the intellect says that it is the matter of changing the prakriti.
ખાલી કરવાની વાત છે.
No, we are not changing it. We are trying to dissolve this old prakriti.
આ હિતકારી નથી.
And then
રક્ષણ નથી કરવું.
you see, we are not trying to protect the prakriti.
તો બીજો એક ક્વેશ્ચન એવો થાય કે
Next
ભરેલો
question.
માલ ઝડપી ખાલી કરો એ પણ આપણા હાથમાં છે.
Is it under us, under control? Is it on our hands to unload the prakriti at a faster pace? No, says Deepak Bhai.
પણ આપણો આટલો બધો સ્ટ્રોંગ નિશ્ચય નથી.
But because you do not have such a strong determination, therefore you see you tend to become lax in the other matter.
પછી પેલા 10 માંથી એક વાર વખત જાગૃતિ રહેશે.
You see, so therefore out of 10 he is awakened only one, and 9 out of 10 he is not aware and awakened.
એ નિશ્ચય
The nishchay is the most critical thing, the firm determination, the nishchay of the self. I am the self and I want to remain as the self is the most critical thing.
કરે છે.
And it is that which lets you see the non-self complex as it is.
શું કામ ઊંધા ફોર્મ ભરો છો?
Why do you fulfill the wrong form, says Deepak Bhai.
આજના દિવસમાં નહીં જતા આવતીકાલ જવાશે વચ્ચે રાત જશે એક દાડો નહીં તો બીજો દાડો ત્રીજે
So
દાડો
at least start with one day with the firm determination.
આપણે નિશ્ચય કરેલો હોય ભાવ કરેલો હોય તેમ છતાં પેલું
This gentleman is the brother of Dimple Bhai, older brother.
બુદ્ધિ એવું બતાવે છે કે આપણા હાથમાં જ નથી.
But he says, then he says, but I do try to do that, but then what I find is that none of this is in my hand at all.
અત્યારે આપણે 5 આજ્ઞા પકડી
Right now, then you go back into 5 agnas. This is all real. This is I am real. This is relative. SC is doing it.
બીજાને દુઃખ 5 આજ્ઞા પૂર્વક ના હોય
And then, if any role of Rupesh that is not
કરતા કરતા આગળ
conducive towards
આ તો કેવું છે કે માહિતી
help,
વાત કરીએ છીએ તમે જે માહિતી ઊભા હોય તમને લાગે કે ભાઈ પેલું તો બહુ દૂર છે
then you have to be able to see it as it is. If it hurts others, you have to be able to see it as it is.
લક્ષમાં રાખવો હોય તો આ લક્ષમાં રાખે
એ લક્ષ્યમાં તો આ જ રાખવાનું.
નિરાલંબનું સ્ટેશન પહોંચવું જોઈએ સહજ દશા જવી
You see, your goal should be that I want to remain Niralam, which means absolutely independent, not dependent on any non-self circumstances.
આપણે તો 5 આજ્ઞામાં રહેજો
Initially, you remain in the 5 agnas, and then ultimately,
થાય ને પછી પણ હજુ ઘણો આગળ માઇલ વાંચવાનો છે
and then as you remain in 5 agnas, then you will go,
માઇલ આગળ જઈશું
then you will rise higher into the awakened awareness,
પછી તન્મયાકારપણું બંધ થાય ને
and then you will be free from the Tanmaya Karpanu, which is the tendency to become Mishaj Nada,
પણ કરવામાં આળસ આવતી હોય
and then
પોતાને નિર્દોષ જોવામાં અજુત્સમ
And then
શંકાઓ
there-
પડ્યા કરતી હોય ને કેવી રીતે
and if there is a sense of laziness about
ફર્સ્ટ લેવલને
uh,
ક્લિયર કરો પ્રાઇમરી લેવલ ક્લિયર કરીએ પણ આ તો
these are all different stages, says Deepak Bhai.
જેમ તમે રાજકોટ હતા તો સિમંદર સિટી આવવાનો ધ્યેય રાખતા
When you are in Rajkot, then you
હવે આત્માનો
want to come to Simandar city, the goal. When you come to Simandar city, then the goal is of the S capital self.
શબ્દો મળે છે
So these are all words that help you,
પણ શબ્દોમાં પાછા ન હોય
but if you do not have the precision of the words, then how are you going to look within?
આપણે ખુલી કરીએ
So this satsangs are all different levels of how to look at it with the precise clarity so that you can become absolutely independent and one day come to the level where no external evidence of the non-self complex will prevent you in your bliss.
પરવાળી વાત ને એ બધું તો ચાલુ હોય સમજો એને પ્રતિક્રમણ. હવેનું
Yes,
focus
Pratikraman is
સમજણ
happening,
ઉપર જ હોય. આપણે
but I need the additional understanding and the awareness that rises into awareness.
આ બે વાક્ય ઉપર ચાલો
એ બને થઈ જાય પછી આપણું આગળનું ચાલુ જ છે પ્રતિક્રમણ ને પ્રત્યાખ્યાન.
Pratikraman and Pratyakyan is happening.
કેવી રીતે નિર્દોષ જોવો ને કેવી રીતે નેગેટિવ ના જોવા એ ઉપર સમજવા માટે વિજ્ઞાન સમજો
એટલે પેલી ટ્રેક વાળી તમે વાત કરો છો.
You're talking about the different track, right? You know, in other words, how do I see the snake as faultless and
એક વાણીમાં
you see? In other words,
વાણી દાદાવાણી બધું
all
એટલું બધું અદ્ભુત
there is so much in Dadavani and in Aptavanis,
થોડું થોડું ટચમાં રહ્યા કરો.
but you see, you
આ
just
તો બુદ્ધિ જ બતાવે છે.
but it is all part of intellect, is it not, Deepak Bhai? That
એના માટે માફ કરજો પણ ઘણીવાર નીરુમા સાથે પણ વાત હતી હજી છોકરાઓ સાથે
I
આવું વર્તન કરે છે આવું કરે છે બંધ કર તો અંદર બુદ્ધિ એવું બતાવે કે નીરુમા અકર્તામાંથી આપણને કર્તામાં કેમ લઈ જાય છે પણ
you know,
થોડું સમજાતું કે સમજણ
when
ફરવાની
Niruma was telling me that why is Niruma dragging me into the doership from the non-doership state?
આજે પ્રતિક્રમણ કરવાથી શું કચરા ઘટે છે
You see, when you see, the question, and Deepak Bhai says, by doing Pratikraman, the errors decrease.
અનંત જ્ઞાન છે
Yes, you are the vessel of infinite knowledge.
મહેનત કરો
However, there is this ignorance that is in the non-self complex that is preventing you the experience of it.
હવે નથી ફાવતું તો આ તો પોઝિટિવ નેગેટિવ તો જુદી વસ્તુ છે
Positive and negative.
કે મારે ક્રોધ ઘટાડવો છે
You know, sometimes you say, I want to become free from anger.
ક્ષમા વધારવી છે ક્ષમા વધારવાની મહેનત ના કરશો ક્રોધ ઘટાડતા જશો પ્રતિક્રમણ કરતા કરતા ઘટતો 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 જશે તમે ક્રોધ શું કામ કરો છો કે ધાર્યું ના થયું
Why are you?
અપમાન લાગે છે તો એ ચોખ્ખું કરતા કરતા તમે એટલું બધું ચોખ્ખું કરો છો કે તમને સામે નિર્દોષ દેખાય
As you start clearing all of this through Pratikraman, you will start seeing the other person as faultless. And that is the critical thing.
આ જે ધ્યેયની વાતો છે ધ્યેયમાં લાવવા માટે મહેનત કરવાની હોય
You know, these are all lofty goals about becoming Niralam, absolutely independent. That is to be kept in the mind, but you need to see on the path what is obstructing you.
એ તરફ જ છે પણ
Yes,
આ તો એક
I am
બુદ્ધિ
in.
હેરાન કરતી હતી એટલા માટે એટલે એ
But you know, the
થોડીક
Prakriti
ઓછું
was
છે.
bothering me. I am with you 100% Deepak Bhai, so I opened up with my question here.
આપણે ટૂંકો રસ્તો સમજાઈ ગયો ને
Do you understand?
કચરાના રસ બધા
You see?
અહંકાર, માન, લોભ, મોહ,
You know, all of these things that prevent you, what prevents the bliss of yourself is anger, greed, deceit, pride, and pride validation, ego insistence, etc. All of these are the ones that prevent you.
ઘટાડવાથી
How do you
આપણે
decrease
ઘણા
Kashai?
પહેલાને ધોઈ નાખીએ છીએ.
So how do we wash them off? First, the stains,
શુદ્ધ વ્યવહાર
and then your interworld interaction will be pure.
કસાઈ નહીં થયા એટલે થઈ ગયું.
And then once you become free from Kashais, you are rising higher.
ચલો સામાયિક લઈએ
And okay, now let us take the topic of the Samayik. This is very important, says Deepak Bhai, very critical.
સમાજ ઉપર જ લઈએ.
Let us-
ક્ષમા.
Let us talk about natural
કોઈ વાતે
forgiveness.
આપણને આક્ષેપો એટલે
If
કે
somebody accuses us,
પેલું રે કે આણે મને આવો દુઃખ
and that you know, do you have an internal state where he says, this person tormented me, such and such a person giving me a hard time in life? That is,
વખત આપણે સાંભળ્યા કરે.
you know, the mind will keep coming back there that he is the one who really hurt me.
આ દોષિત દેખાયા જ કરે.
And so it is very difficult to see him as flawless.
કોક પાસે પાછી વાત નીકળે ને કે જુઓ ને,
And then when his matter arises again, you become very upset about it.
કરતી નથી. છે જ એવો.
And then you know, you immediately brand him as, oh, that man is like that only, or she is like that only, or he is like that only.
અત્યારે આમ deep down સામા
But
માટે
deep
ફરિયાદ
down
રહ્યા
inside,
કરે.
there is a very,
અથવા સામો
very
ગુનેગાર
serious underlying entrenched opinion that prevents you from forgiving him
આપણને જે અપમાન
naturally.
કરી જાય છે, આપણું નુકસાન કરી જાય છે,
You see,
એક મહાન ઉપકારી છે.
the one who insults you, the one who causes you harm, he is a major benefactor for you. That is the important thing that needs to be understood.
કરીને આપણને બુદ્ધિ
But the intellect will say otherwise, and that is where you need to go into the exactness.
પણ તોય આપણે પૂરેપૂરું ચોખ્ખું નથી કરી શકતા.
And even then, you are not able to clear it off exactly.
અથડાઈ ગયો.
If somebody collides with you,
તો ઘરવાળા અથડાય ને તો ચલાવી લે ને બહાર
you know, if an outsider collides with you, then you're not upset. But if your own daughter or son collides with you, say in an auto accident, you are not upset.
તમારા બાબા ના આ તો બધું બહુ દુઃખ.
You know, in other
કેમ
words,
તો કઈ મમતા મોહથી
this is the illusory attachment.
ન્યાય આપણને જો સમજે કે મોક્ષ માટે હિતકારી છે.
Recognize that whoever collides with you, whoever clashes with you, is extremely beneficial to you.
કઈ ગુનો લાગે જ નથી.
Then you will not.
તો ઉપકારી લાગે, હિતકારી
Then you will begin to move in the path of liberation.
એવું આપણને થઈ જવું છે.
That should be the natural state for you within. You should not be applying it. It should be the natural state for you.
લાવવો પડશે. બે ચાર જણા ચડાવીએ કે જેને સીધો કરજો એ આ
So therefore, you know, you try to get back at him by raising an army of soldiers who will agree with you and attack that person.
સહજ ક્ષમા,
So Sahaj Shama, natural forgiveness,
સંતોષ, એ આપણે બધા સામાયિકમાં લઈશું.
these are all, we are going to take Santosh, satisfaction, all of these we are going to take the topics. Today's topic is Sahaj Shama, natural forgiveness.
પણ આ દુઃખ આપતા આપતા હજુ થોડી ફરિયાદ રહ્યા કરે છે.
If there is an underlying complaint that is still burning within you about some human being, you need to wash it off now.
આવો મારે માટે આવો છે, મને
You know, he hurt me, he harmed me.
હું એવો છું જ નહીં, મને
I'm not this way, but he did it. I didn't deserve this, etc.
ક્ષમા રહી શકે જ નહીં.
Yes, this will not let you remain in the bliss of the self.
100% કે નિર્દોષ જ છે,
You have to say that is 100% flawless,
ભૂલના દંડ રૂપે નિમિત્ત છે.
and you know, he is actually an instrumental evidence to dish out my own errors of previous life,
આપણે આજે એ
and that is unfolding as karma in this life.
અથડામણમાં આવતી પ્રત્યેક વ્યક્તિઓ સાથે
So therefore, in this life, in Samayik, see where you clashed with anyone, and all those clashes were your own results of your own karma unfolding, and try to see that other person as your benefactor on the path of moksha, as benevolent to you on the path of moksha.
એ ક્યારે ખબર પડે?
When will you know that?
તમે પેલાને આવું કરતા હતા?
The-
તમને તો બરોબર ખોટું કહેવાય, તમે આવું ના કરો.
When you know,
હું ક્યાં એવું કરતો હતો? એ મારી જોડે
when
કરતા
when
મુશ્કેલી
when
છે.
when the intellect when the intellect sides with you, and then the other people also try to raise your intellect by saying, I don't see any fault with you. Those people were happy. And therefore, you got an army of intellect that are, these are all solidified intentions within you, or solidified wrong vision within you, wrong beliefs. Or it could be due to, may not be a human being, but it could be an event. So when you can see these evidences, as you close your eyes, when you can see this movie of your life, that is the Samayik. So then you have to. So you see now, Sahaj Shama means natural forgiveness, means no matter how much he harms you, there is not a single stain within you that is remaining. You do not have any negative intentions and feelings about that event or that person anymore. And so this is how you have to look at it, to the point where you will have zero complaints about that person. If somebody says, somebody accuses you, oh, you did this wrong, what we did was right, you screwed it up, you messed up the whole problem, you think? Then you have to find out who the doer is here. There is no real doer here, is there? So in service, in the organization, or in service to other human beings, or in matters at home, or it matters at work, etc., you tend to accuse the other people, and so then the intellect takes over, and then there is a big junk lying within. And so then the intellect will say, I'm willing to forgive everybody, but I'm not going to forgive this person. This person has harmed me so much, I can never forgive him. But if you do not wash it off now, then you'll have to wash it off in the next life. And recognize that if you throw the ball once, it will bounce 100 times. And so the reactions will happen, and the vibrations will continue, and the vibrations of vibrations will continue, and the vibrations of vibrations will continue as hurt, life after life, and there you will get further accusations against you. So recognize, Deepak Bhai says that you need to wash off each and every mistake that has happened in this life, so that to the point where you do not harbor any negativity towards any human being or any event that has happened in the past. You see? And then some people take beastly pleasure out of such events. Because when you talk about, when you look at MSNBC and things like that, when the political mudslinging is going on, this is people who watched it, they are taking beastly pleasures out of it. This is going to throw you and hurl you into the wrong sphere. You see, when somebody that you have had an adverse opinion about, if he is suffering, you take secret pleasure in it. All of this is totally wrong. And so as you used to see the other person at fault, and this is what we are trying to overcome. So if you continue to have this kind of faulty mistakes, then you really need to wash it off through serious patikraman, but you need to start seeing it first within you, through the past events that you have not been able to forgive others. So we do want to proceed further. So, but sometimes you really you harbor certain difficult things within that you are not able to express. So today we come through it. Let's say, Dear Dada Bhagwan, dear Sri Simandar Swami Prabhu, with the awakened awareness of the pure soul, and with the applied awareness of that, in the entire life, whatever has happened, where I have hurt others, when I have been placed in difficulties, and to see all those nimits and so where there was divisiveness and with those people, there was ongoing clashes with them, where I sent them seen them at fault. Let me see all those errors in Samaik, and to see them exactly as flawless, and to do exact pratikramans for that, and to become free from that. Grant me the energy to do such a Samaik, my Lord. I surrender this mind, speech and body, all illusions associated with my name, charge karma, bhav karma, dravya karma, subtle discharge karma, no karma, gross discharge karma. O Dada Bhagwan, I surrender them unto your divine feet. I am surrendering them all. Hum Shuddha Atma Chu, 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 Shuddha Atma Chu, Hum Shuddha Atma Chu, 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 Shuddha Atma Chu. Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand.
ઘણી વખત માંદા પડ્યા ને તો આ ડોક્ટરે એવી દવા આપી મને માંદો પણ ન ગયો. 5 વર્ષ 10 વર્ષે વાત નીકળે તો યાદ આવે કે આણે મને.
You see, when you are really sick, you know, and then you will remember this doctor gave me such medicine that I became sick. No, you don't blame the doctor. It is your own mistake that you felt sick. You see, because you are seeing the complainer and you are seeing the sufferer, that means you are seeing the faults of others. Really, there is nobody at fault here. That is the Purusharth that we need to enter in. This is how we are going to cultivate the flawless vision. Jai Sachidanand to everybody. Jai Sachidanand.